I'm so excited. Let's see. It's just the warranties, which is here. Ugh. Size 12 pen. Rinse. Got it. Size 8, size 10. Lids. What is this? A 12-inch fry pan. Oh, this is a 10-inch fry pan. It's an 8-inch fry pan. And this is a 12-inch fry pan. And there's more. And there's more, guys. Let's check these out. Warranties and manuals, more foam. We'll find out. There's a lot of boxes. Only if I can reach. Let's see. This is an 8-inch frying pan. It comes with a lid. How do I even open this? This is my HexClad collection, guys. Ooh, look how pretty this looks. It comes in individual bags. This is my 10-inch frying pan. Get all these open. I'll leave a link in my description on the recipes I use with these HexClad pans. Or I've been using HexClad for almost a year now. So you can check out, but I only had a wok. So you can check out all my recipes that I use with the wok. But now I'm excited that I have all these different pans that I can use for my recipes. This is what I had. This is what I had. My 10-inch pan, 12-inch wok pan that I used to cook my recipes in. So you can check that out. Oops, you can check all that out. And it comes with its very own lids. So this one, the 8-inch, and then 7-inch, and then the 10-inch pan. So let's see. So it fits the 12-inch also. Oh, my pans, guys. Really excited. Alright, let's move all these pans out of the way. And now see what the other ones I have. Ooh, it's like a mystery box. Oh, look how cute. These are all packaged so nicely. Oops, let's rip the box. Check this out. Oh, really nice stainless steel. So that's the lid. Wow, look. Stainless steel pans, HEX-CLAD pans. Okay, let's get all this junk out of the way. It's another pan. Oops. Doesn't say what size these are. I think they're like a 6-inch and then an 8-inch pan. I think that's what it is, what the sizes are. I do have the manual. It tells me the sizes. Really hard to get out. Can't wait to see this one. It's like a 10-inch pan pot. Check out these frying pans, and then I think this lid is universal. Let me see. Yep, the 12-inch pan lid fits with the 10-inch frying pan. I'll leave a link in the description of all my recipes that I use with the 12-inch frying pan, the HexClad, and they're really good. These HexClads are very, very easy to use and very easy to clean. They're like literally scratch proof, so you can use stainless steel utensils with these and spatulas and it won't scratch, and they last for a long time because I've had my frying pan for almost a year now and it works great. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and give me a big thumbs up.